Kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.
Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss mathematics for class 7 and today's topic is rational number. So we will discuss about the rational number. What is rational number? When any number written in the form of a upon b is called a rational number. जैसे 3/4, 6/9, 11/25, these all are called rational number. Now the questions arise, what is the difference between the rational number and fraction? Mostly we will write fraction as in the form of a upon b, but a difference between the rational number and fraction is that only in rational number the denominator never equals to 0. मतलब रेशनल नंबर में उसका डिनोमिनेटर कभी भी 0 नहीं हो सकता, जबकि इन केस ऑफ फ्रैक्शन द डिनोमिनेटर में और मे नॉट बी 0 हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है, लेकिन इन रेशनल नंबर के केस में उसका डिनोमिनेटर कभी भी 0 नहीं होता है. रेशनल नंबर के केस में रेशनल नंबर ऑलवेज रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a अपॉन b, यानी फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है. द अपर पार्ट ऑफ रेशनल नंबर is called numerator and the lower part of rational number is called denominator. Okay, and this whole form is called a rational number. Clear? Rational number always written in the form of a upon b. In case of rational number their denominators never equals to 0. Clear? Denominator कभी भी 0 नहीं होता है. Next topic is equivalent rational number. We have some example: 3/4, 6/8, 9/12 and 12/16. 3/4, 6/8, 9/12 and 12/16. ऐसे नंबर हमारे इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर कहलाते हैं. इक्विवेलेंट इसलिए कहलाते हैं कि जब भी हम इनको रिजॉल्व करेंगे, इनको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में बनाएंगे एस 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 3 3 9, 3 4 12, 4 3 12 and 4 4 16. In each and every cases we will find 3/4. So the solution of each number is as same as 3/4. So these all of called equivalent fraction. अगर एक से रेशनल नंबर अगर एक से ज्यादा रेशनल नंबर को सॉल्व करने पर उनका सोल्यूशन सेम आता है, तो ऐसे रेशनल नंबर हमारे इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर कहलाते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ अ रेशनल नंबर. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म और लोवेस्ट फॉर्म of a rational number as same. Suppose that 15/25. When we will make it as a lowest form, it should be divided by 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. So 3/5 is a standard form of a rational number. So the standard form is also known as lowest form of a number. Okay. Next is rational number. Representation of rational number on a number line. We can represent the given rational number on a number line by two ways. Firstly, when the numerator of the rational number is less than the denominator, and the second one, numerator is greater than the denominator. Suppose that we need to represent 5/8 on a number line. Here we see that numerator is 5 and denominator is 8. So numerator is less than the denominator. For that, firstly we will draw a number line. Here we have a 0, 1, 2 like this, -1, -2 like this. First case is numerator is less than the denominator. जब भी कभी numerator denominator से छोटा होता है, it means that the rational number line between 0 and 1. So we will divide the denominator as 8 from 0 to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now 0 to 1 is divided into 8 parts as given denominator. Now we will place 5/8 as a fifth place of the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this shows 5/8. Okay. अगर ये वैल्यू 1 से बड़ी होती, दिस इज अप्लाइंग फॉर द सेकेंड केसेस. हेयर ये वैल्यू 1 से छोटी है बिकॉज द न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन द डिनोमिनेटर। और अगर ये वैल्यू निगेटिव होती तो यही वैल्यूज आपकी 0 से -1 के बीच में लाई करती। ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड केस इज न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर देन द डिनोमिनेटर। सपोज दैट here is given 8/5. In this case, we see that numerator is greater than the denominator. Firstly, we will convert it as a mixed fraction. 5 ones are 5, remaining 3/5. So here we see that the whole number is 1 and this is 3/5. Okay, now represent this number on the number line 0, 1, 2, 3. यहाँ पर होल नंबर 1 है, सो दिस नंबर विल लाइज बिटवीन 1 and 2. ये नंबर हमारा 1 और 2 के बीच में लाई करेगा। क्यों लाई करेगा? क्योंकि होल नंबर 1 है। अगर ये होल नंबर 2 होता तो ये 2 और 3 के बीच में लाई करता। अगर ये होल नंबर 3 होता तो ये 3 और 4 के बीच में लाई करता। यहाँ पर होल नंबर 1 है, सो इट विल लाइज बिटवीन 1 and 2. नाउ दिस इज ओवर, सो वी विल represent this number between 1 and 2. Here is 3/5, so we will divide 1 and 2 into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And numerator is 3, so 1, 2, 3. So 1 whole 3/5 means 8/5 will lie between 1 and 2. From 0 we will write 1, then after 1 and 2. Okay, this is the way to represent any rational number on a number line. Clear? Now the next topic is addition or subtraction of a rational number. Addition or subtraction of a rational number similarly solved as in the first case whenever both the numbers having like decimal like denominator and the second one having different denominator. किसी भी rational number के denominator like हो, एक जैसे हो, तो वो डायरेक्टली सॉल्व हो जाते हैं 549/8. ओके, और जब भी कभी इनके डिनोमिनेटर्स डिफरेंट हो तो उस कंडीशन पे दे विल सॉल्व बाय टेकिंग एलसीएम. सिमिलर 4 and 8 having 8 LCM, 8 ones are 8, 5 ones are 5 plus 4 twos are 8 and 2 threes are 6 becomes 11/8. Similar we can subtract them. So addition or subtraction of a rational number is depend upon the value of the denominator. If they having like denominator, they will directly solve by addition or subtraction. If they have different denominator, so they will solve by taking their LCM like this. Okay, now the multiply or divide of rational number. Now suppose this is the first rational number and we need to find out the product of this number by the second rational number. 5/8 multiplied by 3/2. Here we have a two rational number. Or when we need to find out their product, so then numerator will multiplied by themselves and denominator will multiplied by themselves. 5 threes are 15 and 8 twos are 16. This is the solution. In second cases, many times we see that in both the rational number can be cancelled out by another. जैसे ये denominator इसके numerator को cancel कर दें, या ये denominator इसके numerator को cancel कर दें, या इस denominator से ये numerator cancel out हो. अगर ये possible हो कि इनको हम standard form में बना सकते हैं तो we can do that. Otherwise we will directly multiply numerator by the numerator and denominator by the denominator. Okay, this is the multiplication. And the second one, division of rational number. 5/8 divided by 3/2. Suppose कर लीजिए दो rational number है 5/8 and 3/2 and we need to find out their division. In these cases we will write the first rational number as it is. पहले rational number को as it is, then we will place multiplication sign in place of division. Division की जगह पर multiplication का sign लगा दीजिए. And next we will write the reciprocal of the second rational number. Here is 3/2, reciprocal is 2/3. मतलब इसका इनवर्स नोट कर दीजिए सेकेंड रेशनल नंबर का. अब अगर पॉसिबल हो तो कैंसिल कर लीजिए, अदरवाइज एज इट इज. तो 2 ones are 2 and 2 4s are 8. ये कैंसिल हो सकते हैं, इसलिए कर लिए. और अगर नहीं होते तो इनको एज इट इज छोड़ देते. देन 5 ones are 5 and 4 3s are 12. This is the division of any two rational number. Okay. Now the last topic is reciprocal of rational number. Reciprocal is also known as multiplicative inverse. जैसे 5/3 इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या हो गया 3/5. 2/9 इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या हो गया 9/2. वी विल राइट द इनवर्स ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. न्यूमेरेटर चेंज टू डिनोमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर चेंज टू न्यूमेरेटर. इफ दिस इज गिवन माइनस साइन -4/5, इट शुड बी रिटन एज -5/4. इसमें कोई भी चेंजमेंट नहीं होता है. ओके, तो दिस इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ रेशनल नंबर, also called multiplicative inverse of any rational number. Okay, thank you.